Hi, everybody. All right, so today we're going to learn about the chromosomes inside the cell. What we have here is a picture of a human cell and a bunch of organelles around the outside. And then this organelle, the largest organelle inside the cell, the nucleus, has inside of it a bunch of chromosomes. Now, if you'll remember, humans have 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs. We learned about that when we talked about meiosis. Now remember that meiosis cuts the chromosome number in half and makes cells with half the chromosomes. And so in humans, when meiosis happens, it makes a cell with 23 chromosomes, a sperm or an egg. But mitosis will maintain the diploid number, the regular number of chromosomes, 46 chromosomes. And if you look at this cell, this is a human cell and has 46 chromosomes, where each of these sticks are a chromosome. And if you count them all up, you'll see that there's 23 pairs or 46 chromosomes. Now, in the chromosomes inside a cell, we have actually two separate kinds. These kinds in gold are called autosomes. And these two, this X and this Y, are called sex chromosomes. There's an X and a Y. Sometimes people have an X and an X. So they could both be like that green one, or they could be like the green one and the blue one. In either event, these gold ones are called autosomes, and the X and X or X and Y are called sex chromosomes. And there's a reason they're called sex chromosomes. They determine your sex. If you're a boy, it means that you have an X chromosome that you inherited from your mom and a Y chromosome that you inherited from your dad. If you're a girl, you got an X chromosome from mom and an X chromosome from dad. Remember that meiosis will cut the pairs in half. So half, when a man goes to make sperm by meiosis, half the sperm will have an X, the other half will have a Y. And so some of the sperm will deliver an X chromosome to the egg. Some will deliver a Y. If the sperm carries a Y, the baby's going to be a boy. And if the sperm carries an X, the baby's going to be a girl. Okay, so sex determination. Humans have how many pairs of chromosomes? 23 pairs. That's 46 total chromosomes. And 22 of them are called what? What did we say was the name of those golden chromosomes that do not determine sex? Those are called the autosomes. And the X and the Y, or the X and the X, the other pair, are called sex chromosomes. The sex chromosomes, as I said, are X or Y. And if it's a male, the boy has XY, the green and the blue. If it's a girl, just two of the X's. Now, if we were to take a cell like this one, and we looked at it on a microscope, we could see all those chromosomes, but they're not all lined up like that. They're just all over the place, right? So the cell doesn't have chromosomes all lined up in pairs, but they're all jumbled inside the nucleus. But we might want to look at them all organized like that. And then in that event, we would make something called a karyotype.